The views and opinions expressed on the Boys Night Out Online are those of the hosts, guests, and callers, and are not necessarily those of Wusa Studios, its management, other hosts, or advertisers. The shows produced by Wusa Studios can promote any lifestyle, belief, religion, political affiliation, or other personal practice. These shows are for entertainment purposes only and might include strong themes, images, sex, or language that may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
You know what, girls? If your ex dumped you, there's only one rule you should follow. Never chase. Always replace.
In a world where sex, relationships, dating, and more sex rule the night, comes a man.
It's multimedia, more experiential, and a better alternative to porn.
And another man.
Boys Night Out is a peek for women to understand the boys. They really think they were bastos, but they're really not.
And another man.
The point of life is to find kalandian. Start making more.
As if there wasn't enough sausage, B&O has added the likes of The Love Survivor and the internet action star, Ramon Bautista, and of course, random girl-a-loos.
Huwag pasarapin ang pagpapatikim para hindi mo hanap-hanapin.
From the same group that brought you the ultimate in men's lifestyle on radio comes Boys Night Out, the podcast.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! New Year! New Year! New Year! Okay, mga paps, welcome sa ating B&O podcast. Mga papit, mga mami.
Mukhang may add-on.
Happy New Year,
Happy
Paps!
New
Mga
Year.
Paps! Mars, hi! Nice to meet you.
Bigyan mo ng mic, yan.
Bakit?
Yan yung bote. Tapos yung equipment natin. Guys, welcome to the B&O podcast on a Manyak Monday night. Extension ng Kamanyakan, extension ng Monday.
So, manyakan. Manyakan pa rin.
Tones, pero may reinforcement tayo.
Oo.
Yan.
Parang import, di ba?
Ano
Or
ba?
PBA lang yan.
Third, fourth manyak ba ako? Ano ba? Hindi, ikaw ang fourth, so ako yung third manyak.
Basta lahat tayo.
Pakilala natin isa-isa ang ating mga co-hosts.
Co-anchors.
Co-anchors for tonight on
Co-anchors.
this very crucial night. Of course, an institution in Philippine radio.
She is the very first woman to have her own radio show.
Ito lang masasabi ko dito, Papi Slick, Papi Mon, Papi Jojo.
Ano yun?
Kung hindi mo kilala to,
Oh.
malamang hindi ka rin niya kilala.
Hall of Famer.
Puta.
Oh.
Tangin na, ganun lang yun. Kung hindi mo siya kilala, malamang hindi ka rin niya kilala.
And of course, she is the queen of Friday Madness. May
Disco sa tanghal.
Yan! At mahilig
DSC.
sa El Chupa Cabra.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss
Island
Tina Ryan, aka Miss Island Souvenir.
Ayan!
Ako ang international island girl. I'm a benta sa foreigner.
Kilabot ng white man.
Pangit pa yung lighting sa lagay na yan. Na
Hindi
magbibigay...
kailangan ng lighting.
Oo.
Wala na nga eh, kasi wala yung buhok
Yan ang
ko.
kulay matabungkay.
O yan.
Kulakay, ito kulay matabungkay.
Hindi na nga
In
eh.
the words of Binay, tatakbo ko si Nado. Akala nyo.
And
Thank you for having me, guys.
no, thank you for dropping
Ito,
by.
bigyan ng close-up.
And here we go. We got a
Wow!
yeah.
Itabi naman yung hair. Itabi naman yung hair ng
Ay,
konti.
yung shy factor.
Yeah!
Bakat pa, may pattern.
Grabe!
Wow.
Parang
Floral.
Cheo card.
Yan.
Sana dinadownload nyo to, higher resolution.
Yeah, parang Cheo card ang pattern.
Floral, ha?
Maalog, maalog.
Tayo ka naman.
Maalog yung camera natin.
Wow!
Up.
Yung ballpen nahulog! Yung ballpen! Ballpen nahulog! Yung ballpen!
Nawala. Okay. I thought ballpen.
Lalagyan ng ballpen.
Ayan. And of course, she was FHM Girlfriend of the Month. Tama? October. Last year. Last year.
Hati.
And FHM Hottie. Wow.
Well, kung sila tumagal ng 1 month, siya ang ating Girlaloo of the Night.
Yeah.
Gabi ka lang!
We have, of course,
Demote.
Angela. Angela, what's your... Do you have a last name?
Gabriel.
Gabrielle?
Last name?
Yeah. Angela Secret.
Angela
Angela Secret.
name, nasa sa inyo na po yan. Pahinin nyo
Yan! Siyempre.
Ayan, hanapin nyo lang sa Instagram. Dumbi-dum.
Mamaya,
Dubi-dubi-dum.
flash natin yung
Yeah,
Instagram.
later on,
Medyo
later on.
complicated, no? Huwag niyo muna siya i-stock masyado kasi siya nga answer sa mga questions natin tonight. 631-2264. Very interesting subject matter. How to keep new things coming.
Yan.
How to keep
the
it coming?
fire
Burning.
alive?
Is it how to keep it coming?
Keep it burning.
Coming,
Keep
coming.
it burning.
Yeah, how to keep it coming.
Coming, yan.
Coming ba o burning?
Coming. How to keep it coming?
Parang walang pupuntahan tong show na to. Ngayon pa, nakikita ko na. Naramdaman ko na, walang pupuntahan to.
Parang, where's it going? We're just coming.
Yung Papi, syempre pagka nag-monthsary na, mga third monthsary,
Hindi naman third, mga six. Ayan, medyo lumalamig na
Hindi,
ako.
by this time kasi generation ngayon minsan 1 month.
Okay, breakdown muna natin.
Oh.
Breakdown natin yung scenario. The dating scene. The
Okay.
modern day dating scene. Landian, tapos kakamumulan.
May kilig.
Kilig muna.
Kilig
Dapat
muna.
kilig muna.
Yeah, aminin natin.
Kilig muna.
Okay, may fist ba tayo mamaya yan?
Ano yan? Meron yan.
May fist muna tayo. Okay,
Oo.
unahin muna natin yung ano. Let's
May
the-
fisting tayo.
may fisting muna.
Wow.
Okay.
Ibang
Hindi,
fisting
sige.
ang
General
pumapasok sa
general
isip.
outline ng modern day relationship. Okay, landian, nagkakilala kayo, landian through text, o kaya mga Instagram, Twitter, gano'n.
Nag-aibolan sa cafe.
Paano?
Aibolan.
Aibolan.
Kasi sa mga sa chatmates, may mga
Gamitin
grand
ng mic,
eyeball
gamitin ng mic, gamitin ng mic.
Okay.
May mga grand eyeball minsan.
Oo.
EB.
EB yan ang...
Okay, so after nun, syempre, kayong dalawa, magka-communication kayo. And then you meet up. Tapos, madalas yan, nagsimula sa kapihan, nagiging inumang alcohol. After a few hangout moments, momol. Siyempre, hatid mo, momol.
Nagkaka-intensan eh.
Yan. Tapos, diyan magkakadetermine kung magiging kayo ba?
So, game na.
O yun,
After the moment?
Kung game.
Hindi. Siyempre,
kung
game. Minsan, game time muna. Game
dapat,
time.
Dapat you're trying to figure it out.
Wow.
Because you're at that stage na you're parang, okay, is it just for fun or is it just for...
For the win.
Pamparaos
Go for
lang.
gold.
Pamparaos ba?
Ay, so makamundong pagnanasag
Yes,
out of the
totoo
way.
naman. Both for men and women. Pagkatapos nun, doon talaga yung test kung, okay, eto ba for love or for lust?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Ito ba yung pampakilala kay mami o pampakilala kay mama na tagabukas nung...
garage
Babasag! Palapay chicken!
alam ni Island Souvenir, tawa siya.
Garage room, di ba gagawin?
Kasi galing ako sa Motmot eh.
Oo.
New Year's Eve, mag-isa ako, diba?
Doon,
Hindi ako nakapatok doon.
Si Tina Raya, naiinis nung isang gabi kasi yung kotse nila hindi maka-atras, may nakapark doon. Pagkataas ng garage room, may kotse, naka-hazard. Diba?
Just to be clear,
Justify.
I spent the night at the motel, New Year's Eve, kasi walang hotel na pet-friendly. Yung dalawang dogs ko. So, Victoria Court
nakita ko yung post.
was kind enough to take us in. They're pet-friendly. Yung Pasig branch lang. So, doon kami. Para ilayo ko yung mga dogs sa putukan. Parang
Dumayal lang, room service.
Yeah.
Baka dumayal, di ba? Paano ka ba dumayal? Pindot o ikot?
Pindot.
Ay, pindot.
Parang tinatanong mo lang.
Alam na alam ah.
Para mga nagigitara lang yan. Blocking or strumming? Diba? Dalawa lang
Which do
yan.
you desire, Miss Tina Ryan?
Ay, naka.
Paano ka naman nag-New Year, Miss
Angela.
Angela?
Baka nag-New Year.
Sa bahay.
Nino.
Namin.
Yan.
Yun ang tanong eh. Kanino ba?
Saan bandang city yan?
Las Piñas.
Ako, South.
Sino
LPC.
ang tinext mo ng Happy New Year?
Actually,
With
wala.
lambing. Wala?
Tamad ako eh.
Pero I'm sure marami nag-text sa'yo.
Sino first New Year's kiss mo?
Wala nga eh.
Wala ka pa naman momol?
Wala pa?
Wala nga eh.
Nako, tonight! Maganda po!
Ay, this
Tonight!
is it.
Sino kaya sa ating...
Ang bango ni Paps, ang bango ni
Feeling ko si Papi Chupaulo maglalabas sa director's booth mamaya yan.
Ni si Mix with a Z. Dark Horse.
you never keep them out.
Meron bang
Oh,
isang
you
message
never
na kinilig ka nung New Year o wala talaga? Wala mo
Wala
lang.
din eh.
Wala
Kasi
rin?
hindi ko din napansin kasi uminom ako mag-isa.
Mag-isa! May mga girls bang ganun?
Actually,
Why?
meron. Paminsan-minsan.
Why do girls drink alone?
Ay hindi, kasi wala akong mayayang kainuman. Hindi naman ako papalabasin ng mom ko. So, uminom ako mag-isa.
So lonely.
Jojo yung number niya.
Jojo,
So lonely.
kung may papainumin ka, kami sa Angela, anong papainumin mo?
Vodka.
Anong klase?
Vodka yung ininom ko nung New Year.
Anong klase?
Vodka, matapang yun, Paps eh.
Kaso naubos ko isang bote eh.
Ikaw ba, kaya mo yun?
Kaya ko yun, basta ikaw kasama ko.
Huwag mo, basta hindi ka matutulog.
Jojo,
Laban.
Bakit si Jojo?
May lalong pulutan.
Half fried chicken, masarap yun.
Bakit mahilig ka sa fried chicken at puro half, ha?
Half lang. Hindi,
Uso ba yun?
hindi, half lang. Kasi he doesn't want whole. He's on a
Diet.
diet lang yan.
Half
Diet
juice,
lang.
Ramon,
half
use
chicken.
mic.
Oo.
Yan ang nasa promo nung sa half chicken kasi.
Oo.
Pagpupunta doon sa mga...
Sama sa midnight special.
Okay, mga may relationship issues dyan, mga nagkakaboringan, you can call us, 631-2264. Nandiyan ang ating buong courtside reporting studio.
Kasi
Also,
Bobby, sa tingin ko yun ang problema, nagkakaboringan kaya nagkakabreakan eh.
Of course.
oo naman.
Pag nawala yung excitement,
Yung kilig.
Tawa na.
corny na.
It's because you reach that time na parang
Plateau.
na plateau. Parang you're like, okay, I'm with this person, I'm good. You know, we've done everything exciting na. You know, I've made the person orgasm. Okay na yan.
Ay, ganun. Orgasm lang talaga yun. No? Okay.
Oh,
Ano kasi I read something na
Yan, nagbabasa ko.
about sex.
Oh!
Yan. Yan.
Wala pinapabuka!
Sex ba to? Sex?
Si Island Subilo, tumang-tuwa naman, no?
Ano?
With regards sa partner kasi, kung boyfriend mo, parang nagkakaboringan. Pero if you're just dating,
Bakit nga ganun?
ayun nga din, di ko
Actually,
alam.
magandang point yun na reason. Totoo, at saka may katunayan yun.
Are you trying to say na pag walang commitment, mas exciting?
Oo,
ganun?
medyo.
Pag
Parang
boyfriend mo,
ganun.
nagkakaboringan na.
Oo, kasi tagal yun eh.
Saka, I think,
Nandun
saka
na
yung
yung
mga
may
moves nyo, hindi naman tayo lahat
Babasa
hindi naman
na,
tayo lahat Tony
nababasa
Tony na
na.
parang welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle.
Andy yung mga moves, ano?
Diba? Every time, talagang rock and roll eh.
Oo.
Siyempre,
No
para sa...
same day ba? No same day kay Tony.
Kawa,
Hindi, si Tony's on a different level because he's iba. He's parang Hall of Fame na.
Kasi James Yap, hindi nag-uulit ng mga galaw eh. No? Sa basketball court eh.
hindi tulad nila, let's say, sina Jabbar, alam mong hook shot yan.
Hook shot yan, oo.
At one point, hook shot yan.
Si Jordan nga, puro fade away na nung huli na eh. Di ba?
Si Tons, pas Terence Romeo yun eh.
Ano?
Terence Romeo, ganun ang galawan yun.
Ano number ni Terence Romeo?
Number 3. Terence Romeo.
From?
From Global Port.
Yeah.
Global Port.
7.
Bigay ka ng information, mali pa.
Everyone's, what does Jojo say?
Ako din, ha?
Okay, anyway,
Ay.
pa tayo kay Jordan. At one point, I mean, sige, given na si Jordan, makakashoot pa rin naman. Ano na napapasok? Pero, puro fade away na. Diba? Yun ang nagiging, isang factor ba yun? Ba't nagiging boring? Ang sex life after.
Meaning, napipredict namin? Or
Oo,
napipredict
okay,
ng
missionary
isa't
lang
isa?
tayo.
Ganun
Tsaka
ba yun?
nakikita ko kasi, kung kayo na, alam mo, unli to eh. Hindi mo na kailangan pagtrabahuan. Pag
Correct.
uwi mo, ay, makukuha ko yan.
Ay.
Nasa point din yung
Unli.
sinasabi mo eh, kung papipiliin ka. Ay, actually, hindi ko pala nabasa. May nagbanggit sa akin
Na-experience.
regarding sa sinabi mo. Na parang kung papipiliin ka, kung only iced tea or yung one na...
Pa-isa-isa.
Oo.
A la
Kasi
carte.
nag-unli ka,
Nakakasawa
oo,
pag
may-
nag-unli.
Pag-unli.
Alam mong
sawa ka na.
bottomless.
Oh.
Pero pag paisa-isa yan, alam mong nanamnamin mo yan
So
kasi mahal
dapat
yung
yung
next
iced tea
glass.
lagay
With-
sa shot glass na gano'n eh. No?
with
Konti,
care.
konti, ganun.
Titikimi.
Ano?
Ano?
Titi? Ano? Island souvenir, oh, grabe.
Titikimi.
Sorry po, sorry. Bago lang si Tina Ryan. Titiki.
Mag-shit.
Shit.
Oh, Diyos ko.
Shit, si Tina Ryan.
Namumula na.
Oo.
Walang blush on yan. Pucha.
Natural yan,
Kita mo
natural.
excitement.
Dalagang Pilipina.
El chupa talaga.
Iba.
Okay.
Oy. Well, we'll go on to the topic, but here we go with the piss.
Wait,
Oh, the piss muna. Oh, here we go with
The
piss. Being brought to us by Yahoo OMG.
In the news.
In the news, a lot of people in the U.S. have been talking about celebrities have been making a lot of money via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
So,
It
all
is
social.
Yeah. So it's brand new. It's big business for all the big businesses and of course celebrities. So congratulations.
Well, I think it's low cost, number one, compared to producing a TV commercial or Trimedia, Billboard.
Parang kayo lang Ilan ang followers nyo sa Instagram, sa Facebook, Twitter.
Hindi, parang nanggugulo lang kami dyan.
No, we just mess around. And of course, a lot of people also been talking about Metro Manila Film Fest. But before that, before the Film Fest, a lot of people were talking about Frozen.
Which I've never seen.
The Disney movie,
we
Frozen.
premiered Nag-RBO tayo.
Sa snowman yun no?
Really good. Really good movie.
Frozen?
It's actually a really good movie. I saw it.
Napanood mo na? Sino kasama mo?
I saw it. Actually, the wife.
Ayun nga pala.
Sarap naman. The wife.
Kasama na pala si Slick. Hindi ko marimat.
Who else would I be watching
Ex-girlfriend niya,
with?
ex-girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend niya, ex-girlfriend.
But you guys have to watch it. It's a really good movie. Pretty good movie. And ito, brand new, 8 hours ago, Karina Sanchez takes a leave from her radio program. Yeah. Because according to her, she wants to focus on her postgraduate studies at the Ateneo de Manila University.
Mag-masteral.
Yung Blue Eagle.
Kala ko naiya siya kay Anderson. Ayoko nagsalita.
Tina.
Nagsisimula ka ng isip. Yun ang kariban talaga ni Tina Ryan sa radio industry.
Broadcasting.
Sa maging institusyon. Corina Sanchez.
Idol ko yun, no?
Tina Ryan.
Helen Bell.
Oh,
my
parang
God,
leveling lang yan.
Wala, don't even compare. Nakakaya kay Corina. Diyos ko. Hello. Anyway, so magmamasters na siya.
Anderson Cooper, no? Corina Sanchez, Anderson Cooper. Tina Ryan, medyo.
May ranking sila
Parang pwede.
Sige, tuloy Slick.
And in other news, pictures going around the internet. Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber cuddling up again.
Nagkabalikan na.
Cuddling up. And another one is Billy Crawford, Colleen Garcia.
Yan ang sinasabi ko.
And then also...
Kala ko ba sabi ni Billy last time, I need to find myself.
Nahanap na.
Si Colleen nakahanap.
Nahanap niya, nagtatago siya kay Colleen.
Pero isa pang kasama ni Colleen. I'm sorry, Billy, no? Alam kong friends tayo, pero si
Sino?
Chef Eds.
Ay, Eds!
Ikaw na pakit sa akin, no?
Si Chef Eds.
Billy! Beka na balik ka, Chef Eds.
Si Miss Colleen has a brand new burger sa Burger Project.
Binerger!
Hindi ako makasakay. Sino ba si Chef
So the burger of the month.
Yes, si Chef Ed, ang manufacturer ng
Chori
Burger Project.
Hindi.
Pinakamasarap na Chori Burger.
Papaburger ka naman, Chef Ed.
Oh,
Hindi ko pa natitikman yun.
Yaan mo, magkakaroon ka na rin. Siyempre, Colleen Garcia, Tina Ryan, magkaka-burger ka dyan.
Burger of the month.
Pet shop.
Could be. Could be.
Diba, instead of lettuce, petsa yung ilagay
Hindi, pwede yan.
Gagawin ni Chef Ed para sa iyo.
Oh.
Pechay Burger.
And another picture going viral is Enrique Hill and Bangs Garcia
Ay, nakita ko yan.
enjoying Tokyo Disneyland together.
Huh?
Yeah.
Pinocchio?
Bakit yung mga showbiz people, bakit sila na lang? Bakit hindi magka-date ang mga showbiz at mga DJ?
Let's ask Miss...
Huwag tayo magbukas ng for
Huwag na lang pala. Change topic.
Really.
Topic.
Really now.
Isa natin kasi ano yan eh.
And there you go. That was The Fist. Being brought to us by Yahoo OMG. And when you guys are on the move and need in-ear headphones with superior bass, TDK EB400 is a perfect pair for you. With comfortable noise reduction ear tips, you can enjoy your sounds wherever you go. Now, tweet us your best response, and we'll choose a winner tonight. Don't forget, hashtag TDK Life on Record and BNO Podcast. Like them on Facebook.com/TDK Life on Record.
Next time, pabasa nyo.
sige.
Feeling ko lang, Corina Sanchez.
Thank you. Meron ako niyan.
Sige.
Talaga?
Earphones.
Commercial breakdown, number 1.
Sige. Next time, si Tina is gonna read something.
Commercial tayo. When we get back, we'll take some calls. Tapos may mga iPad mini pa tayo, Paps, na pamimigay. Last time namigay tayo, bago mag-New Year. May nanalo ng iPad mini. Marami pa tayong iPad mini na pamimigay.
We also have to get to know Miss Angela.
Siyempre, only questioning with Miss
Dapat
Angela.
getting to know you.
Alam ko na kung sino kamukha niya pa.
Sino?
Sino ba yung fiancé ni Jericho?
Ay, si Nicole Kidman.
No.
Jones.
Jones. Si Jones.
Hindi si
Kim
Si Jones. Kim Jones.
Kasama ko sila sa Boracay.
Kind of
last
look
week.
like her. Yeah.
Kim Jones.
Ayan, so only questioning.
Pwede, diba?
Tig-isa tayong questions para kay
Or she could be like some
Angela.
Korean star.
Pwede.
Kim, hindi.
It's a doll.
Hindi. Yung
Si Park. No, si... No. The one
Sam-O,
to...
Sandara.
Sandara.
Let's take a break.
Sandara.
Let's take a break.
Na meme.
Okay, be back with more of the Bino podcast after this.
Pero ang ganda
There.
ng intention. May intensity.
There.
Mga ganun.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're back.
Back. Sorry for the audio delay. Alright. Sige. Punta tayo sa caller and then punta tayo kay Tina Ryan. Okay. Caller on the line. Boring ba relationship mo? What's happening? We'll help you out. Hello.
Hello, what's up?
What's up,
What's
guys?
up?
Who's this?
So I want to say hi to all USD Tomasians out there.
Hey, what's up?
Manyak na manyak ang dating.
What are you
I'm having
wearing?
problems right now, like
What's the
seeing
problem?
this chick and he's holding me back. Like she wants to have a relationship, but she's afraid of getting hurt, so she's holding me back.
Takot masaktan.
Ah, talagang mahal mo, tiyagain mo. Gusto mo?
What do you think should I do?
Hindi, how much do you like her?
Willing to wait ka ba?
I have sincere feelings about her.
Oh, okay.
There
you go.
You're
Take
okay.
your time.
If you have sincere feelings, then okay.
What's
Wait
the
it out.
rush? Diba? What's the rush?
Kasi may mga
How old are
mukhang-
you?
May mga mukhang kaduda-duda.
18.
You're 18. Okay, trust me.
Diyos ko naman. You're so...
Miss Angela, what do you think?
18.
18-year-old guy.
Na hindi ilang months na ba kayo nag-date?
Since 2 years ago.
2 years waiting. Suggestion.
Ay, move on.
Give up.
2 years?
Give up
2
na yun.
years?
Ay, never mind.
Don't waste your time, dude.
Oo.
2 years?
Wag na
Move
lang.
on.
Bata ka pa.
You're so young. Move on to the next one.
Study first before you love, Dandi. Study, yeah.
Study what?
Study
Other
school.
girls?
Study school.
Study anatomy.
Stay in school because school is important than love.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, for me.
Good job,
You're
Jojo.
18 years old. Life is so long. Journey of life. Oh.
Anong kanta ng The Journey?
Ano ba ganun?
Open
Don't stop
arms.
believing.
Don't
Don't stop
stop believing yours. Don't stop.
No, dapat
So do you
open
think should I
arms.
stop?
Yeah, kung 2 years na.
Tapos
Yeah.
6 months ago na nga nag-stop.
Oo.
Yeah.
You're young, enjoy it. If
Life is beautiful.
Yeah, it's too long. You know what?
too
Move
long
on.
na yan, you're 16.
On to the next one. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
for
Black.
calling.
Happy New Year.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Miss Angela, gano'n ba ka madaling makahanap ng mga girl lalo dyan?
Like for you, like if a guy wants to make you legal, is it
Ilang months?
is it difficult or is it one of those things na if you like him, okay na?
Hindi din eh. Kasi ano eh, hindi naman ako loko-laka. Parang, I've been through a lot already.
Mhm.
Ilang boyfriends?
You're at 25, ah?
Huwag kayo magtanong ng ilan. Walang numbers
Oh,
dito.
basta okay. You've been through a lot.
What's your
At
number?
19, okay, at 19.
Ano, I mean, kapag ka kasi, ang babae, like, you're a girl, na parang, kung ayaw sa'yo, unang date pa lang, hindi ka nasisiputin yan.
Kakatakot ka pala.
Na parang,
At least she's honest.
Oo, wala na naman sasayang na mga...
correct,
Hindi, pero Pops-
hindi ka na i-friend zone.
Wala ka sa
Sabihin
zone.
sa'yo, like, na, you're a special
Okay,
friend.
demonstration.
No.
Dito kay Jojo.
Jojo.
Halimbawa,
Ask her
ayaw
out.
mo dyan sa lalaking yan.
Okay, no.
Teka lang putting all girls on my shoes, kung
Yan.
paano ko gagawin
Oh.
is something na,
Paano?
Hindi madalas gawin ng
Kunyari,
girls.
Eto,
Kasi
okay.
ano eh.
Say you and
Jojo,
Jojo.
tatanungin mo
Oo, kasi ano,
pag maging
ako,
girlfriend.
ako bilang babae, I don't go out on dates like dinner. Puta, hindi kita dadalhin sa ano.
Really?
Hindi kita dadalhin sa dinner. Wag mo ako dalhin sa dinner. Gusto ko uminom. Inom tayo.
Okay daw. Woo!
Barso!
El Chupao
Okay.
na pa-close.
Hayain mo uminom, Jojo.
Angela, alam mo naman, we are just friends. Nanliligaw ko sa'yo. Alam ko mahilig kang uminom. Can we go to the Privé?
To the Privé.
Anong inumin?
We drink some vodka
And mango juice.
Bloody Mary.
Sige, inom tayo. Let's go out. Okay.
So for you,
Hindi, pero what if say you didn't like him?
The first time?
Yeah,
ayaw mo.
yeah. So Jojo,
Go.
go.
Thanks.
Paano?
Kasi
invite ka.
teka lang excuse me. Ideal guy ko ay singkit, maputi, matangkad, maganda hair.
Okay, Jojo, pasok lahat.
Shoot.
Korean boy band palang peg mo.
natin to!
Jojo, keep fighting.
Then if,
You never know.
if siya yung mag-ask sa akin out,
Paano? How would you turn him down?
Jojo, ask her out.
Ask her
Ilan
again.
naman tayo?
Hi, Angela. You want dinner in somewhere in... Inom tayo.
ayoko.
Bakit?
Bye. Ayoko eh. I'm busy.
Grabe, ang cold pala nito.
Okay, halimbawa gusto mo.
So for example, say you like Samoy G. Tapos say he's your type. How would you say it?
Okay, iyaya kita. Tara, ano naman tayo? One drinks.
One drink.
Oo. Siyempre, Pops. Alam mo naman, one drinks. Hindi naman talaga one drink ang intention ko. Yung mga 5 or 7 or 13 yan.
Hindi, kasi kaya ko naman sarili ko. Kung ayain mo ako ng 3 bucket, sige, go tayo eh. I mean,
My kind of girl!
You're the bad girl.
Si Papi naman para napatras.
Parang ano naman, delegado tayo dyan.
Teka lang,
kasi alam ko
nanlalagkit
naman
si Ramon.
Ano eh, I mean,
Limit mo.
Oo. Na parang, sige, labas tayo. Kikilalanin kita. I don't go for the looks itself kasi.
Kasama
Sige,
lang sinito
usap
mo to.
tayo. Pero pag na-bore ako during the usapan, minsan nag-walk out ako eh.
Sa inuman? Sa gitna na
Oh my
inuman?
gosh.
And he just
Biatch pala to, biatch.
Hindi,
Kasi nagbabayad ng beer.
I'm just that straightforward kasi ayoko nagpapahasa ng tao.
Kasi nag-walk out ka.
Which is okay. Which I guess some guys need
Di
that
lahat ng Pinay ganyan.
nowadays. Oh.
Hindi mo walk out, pero there's like a subtle way, diba?
Ay,
Talagang
kasi
walk
ano
out
eh,
ka?
Ano ba to? Parang,
Nasaktan
Ano?
ka siguro, no?
correct.
Na-hurt ka.
Nakikita ko sa kanya,
Bitter,
nasaktan siya.
bitter.
Kasi when
her
she talks so
angst.
much angst, so much conviction, alam mong may pinaghugutan eh.
Puno ng hugot.
Bakit naman ako? Ilang beses na nasaktan? Wala naman akong gano'n. Turuan mo nga ako. Natuto sa 25-year-old. Diba? Turo mo, bigay mo sa akin.
Ikaw ang humuhugot eh.
Hugot lang. Hugot. Hugot mo.
Si
Maraming pinaghuhugot.
Island girl, oh.
Paano kasi walang hugot, puro baon?
Okay, sige. If you don't mind us asking, ano ba nangyari?
Saan?
Your
Yung
ex
pinaghugutan mo.
Ay, hindi marami yan.
Compounding.
Okay, hugot 1.
Hugot 1. Kayong mga lalaki, complete the sentence.
Yung unang...
yung ex kong, okay, yung nangyari sa akin.
The first
Unang
hurt.
heartbreak,
The first hurt.
best friend ko, alam ko lahat ng kagaguhan. I mean, bawal ba magmura?
No. Okay lang.
Jojo, sample mo.
Let loose,
Sample.
girl!
Some bullshit and this happening. It's a fucking night.
Okay. There you go. Release.
Boxing. Tuloy boxing.
Angela, release the beast.
On nga nung aircon, nanginit bigla.
Wala kita idol eh.
Spell bullshit.
Okay na yun. Sige.
Go ahead.
Ayun.
No, you can say what you want.
Going
It's a
back,
podcast.
First heartbreak, best friend ko, alam ko lahat. Kasi syempre, ako pa yung nagkikeep nung secrets niya dun sa girlfriend niya, tapos lumalabas siya with other girls. Tapos niligawan ako, putang ina, sinagot ko.
Tapos,
Gano'ng katagal kayong mag-best friends? Gano'ng katagal?
Since elementary.
Tapos krinos mo yung best friend line.
Oo.
Di ba, sabi nila, pag
eh.
krinos mo, hindi mo na pwede balikan, sabi nila.
Correct.
tapos,
Bakit ka nag-decide sagutin? Bakit ka nag-decide sagutin? So,
Kasi naniwala ako na hindi ako lolokohin.
pero how long did you guys go out?
Mukhang masarap
Mas
siguro.
konti lang, 6 months lang yun.
6 months lang.
pero all along siguro, you were attracted to him na rin physically, di ba? Kasi hindi ka para...
Hindi.
Emotional
Wala kasi
attraction to.
talaga ako, kahit yung ideal guy ko, ganito ganyan. Pero yung mga naging boyfriend ko, ang layo.
Mga
Ang
bad
layo
boy.
dun Sa ano.
Oy, Jojo, malayo. Pasok
Jojo,
ka.
Jojo pwede! Jojo pwede!
Pwede pala.
And he's back
May
in the
pag-asa pa ako.
Jojo, welcome back.
Tall, white, chinito.
Sakto.
Maganda
Pwede,
hair.
With nice hair.
Maganda hair. Pasok
Tingnan
ka,
mo yung
pasok
maganda
ka.
hair sa braso.
Bukok sa braso lang maganda sa'yo, tsaka doon.
Okay, so that was your first one. Tapos your next.
When you say niloko ka, na two-time ka.
Oo naman. Tapos yung sumunod, the next time kasi, parang ako naman yung,
Nagpaka-bad
syempre,
girl.
gaganti ka, ganyan.
Pero ginantihan mo siya o ibang lalaki na?
Ibang lalaki. Ibang lalaki yung sumalo.
Oh, kawawa naman.
Ganun
Bata
talaga
pa ako
mundong
noon.
karma
Siyempre,
tawag doon.
it's life.
Bata pa ako nun eh. It was high school.
Okay. Okay, and the last. The
Yung
recent.
Recent.
Magmumura to, nakita ko na, nakakasanay.
Bumubuelo eh.
Bumibuelo na marutong na mura to eh.
Sige, okay lang.
Ano nangyari?
Make the mura.
Release the shit.
Hindi, kasi
Intense eh.
teka lang papasukan muna natin yung
History.
seryoso. Kasi
Sige.
syempre, nagago ka na high school, going to college.
Oo.
Pagdating ng college, magseseryoso ka. I got into a serious relationship.
Mhm.
Tapos nalaman ko may ibang girl.
Mhm.
So ikaw pa pala yung
Hi.
kabit.
You're
Hindi,
the second.
ako yung original girlfriend.
so-
Tapos may ibang girl. Tapos,
Gano'ng katagal kayo when you found
1 year,
out?
6 months.
Naku, sakit niyan. Paps.
Tapos, nung nalaman ko, kasi yung girl na mismo yung nag-text.
Text.
Kasi never naman ako nakairam ng telepono. Pag check ko, number lang.
Oh.
Tapos sabi, tagal na daw akong gustong kausapin ng girly.
Mm.
Tapos sabi ko, ano bang deal sa inyo? Sila daw, keme. Sabi ko, okay lang naman sa akin na kayo. Basta tayo pa rin. Basta kami pa rin. Parang,
Talagang hardcore martyr love na to. Wala ka na sa pag-iisip ng tama.
So you're like, okay lang, you're making me gago just as long as...
kami pa rin.
Mahal mo, girl.
Mahal na mahal siya.
Love na yan. Oh.
Hindi rin tumagal. Nagising ka din.
Kasi hindi, na-threaten ako sa friends ko kasi everyday umiiyak ako. Sabi ng friends ko sa akin, kung di mo hihiwalayan yan, kalimutan mo ng kaibigan mo kami. Sabi ko, okay, break ko na lang.
Doon na may friends.
Friends versus love.
Then yung sumunod
Host
dun
before-
kasi, puro long distance na eh.
Yan ang masarap
LDR.
talaga.
Dapat yung bros
Oh.
before host ang tawag.
That's hard, LDR.
Bros before host.
Host before host.
Favorite
Mga bros
ko
mo
yung-
tulad ni Jojo, maintindihan niya yun. Host muna tayo.
Okay, yeah.
63122.
Pero in those relationships, within the relationships, did you get bored?
Ayan, nagkaboringan ba?
What was there stages?
Yung
Because
last ko,
uh
no. We lasted like 2 years. Pero never akong na-bored.
Oo.
As in, everyday may kilig, ganyan.
Anong sikreto?
Oo nga.
What did...
Hindi, ewan ko, I was just that in love.
Pero what did he do? Like simple things. Pang simple things to make you kilig.
You know what I see in her kasi parang mababaw siya no? Ano ka ba?
Ano sinasabi mo?
Hindi, mababaw pagdating sa kilig.
Madaling
She likes the simple
paligayahin,
things. Oo.
Oo, hindi naman kasi kailangan ng mga, alam
Kita mo, ayaw niya ng pa-dinner-dinner. Gusto lang niya,
Si Tino kasi
bakit?
ito, malalim to, kaya kailangan.
Dapat shoot to shoot.
Isagad ng isagad.
Dapat.
Tanungan ka na, yan lang ba?
Ano yan?
Hindi ako kahit
Toothpick?
super babaw ako.
Hindi. Uso na ngayon yung mababaw.
Okay.
Like, alam mo yun, kasi sabi ko, nung like, interview for FHM, what is your idea of a perfect date? Wala ko nasagot. Kasi hindi ko alam, kasi
Anything goes na talaga.
I never go out on a date. I never considered going out with a guy na date yun. Kasi parang, ang
Hoho lang
ang
lagi.
tingin ko sa date, parang yung fine dining. Hindi ako pang ganon, na parang, huwag niyo akong pag-dressin, hindi ko kaya mag-dress.
Jojo, yayain mo doon sa bulalo, sa buto-buto.
Buto-buto sa Makati ito.
Saan? Sa Patpats?
Yung mga shorts na ganyan.
Pang-karinderya
Hindi! Gago!
Ano?
Bumibuelo pa lang ako, sinira mo na naman.
Paul!
Ano ba, malupit pa nga yung karinderya eh. Okay na ako sa isawan, yung mga
Really?
Yeah.
Favorite drink?
Fishball.
drink.
Favorite drink? Vodka.
Ay, hindi, tequila.
Tequila.
Nako.
Ilang
Tequila.
shots bago ka tamaan?
Ang tira sa bote, siguro 1/3.
Sa'yo pa lang yun?
Sa'yo lang?
Oo.
May
Wow.
lemon ba? So, naglilick
Ay,
shoot
hindi
sa
ako
kada.
nagle-lemon kasi.
Rekta na.
Ano,
Straight.
hindi. It's a different.
Erekta na? Erekta. I thought erect.
Bote, sa bote na.
Tawag dito, kasi di ba lemon tsaka salt yun. Ang
Yeah.
akin, cherry.
Ay, social.
Ano ginagawa mo sa cherry? Let's see.
Ah,
May cherry ba tayo? Wala tayong
Wala.
cherry, obviously.
Bumili ako ng garapan
Jar.
ng cherry.
Oh.
Then, di ba may syrup yun? Tequila shot, dadropan ko ng ilang drops ng cherry syrup. Pagka-shot ko, ngata ng
Ngata eh.
cherry. Ay, sorry, ano ba dapat?
Fighter to rin.
She like, what up? What up?
Okay! Sample na natin!
See, there you go.
Girl,
So
nguya na lang,
Ay,
nguya.
sorry, nguya.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Maganda yung hardcore.
Okay lang yan.
Chuchu! Ay, chuchu pala!
See, at least we know that she's real.
Sorry,
Okay.
guys.
Okay.
That's as real as we can get.
Diretso Paulo, close up natin ng beautiful Fez.
Yan ang legs na pang white
Yan.
balance.
Kunyari, may cherry dito. Paano nga ba? Kunyari lang.
Paano mo nga ngatain ng cherry?
Angelica.
Ay, pinitas pa. Kasama talaga, no? Parang tumubo lang.
Can you go like that? Go like that. Yo!
Oy, okay.
Bakit may umalo?
Okay, ngayon, ngata!
Ngata.
Ngata na cherry. Paano nga ngatain? Ito yung camera.
Wala, ganun.
Sige nga, nguya sabay titig sa
Teka
camera.
lang kasi meron ako yun sa Instagram eh. Kasi I can tie the chair, yung tangkay ng
The
cherry
stem.
na.
Papi, ibig sabihin nun, magaling kumis yan.
Yun daw ang kasabihan.
Yun daw kasabihan.
So, sasample na natin.
Bakit naman ako? Hindi marunong nun. Magaling ako.
Ne, mamaya na.
Kaya yun, in-upload ko siya sa Instagram. Kung paano ko tinay. Kasi baka sabi nila, ang bullshit naman ni Angel, hindi ka.
So, may video ka.
Oo.
Press play.
German cut siguro yung pagkakatali niya. Ay, German nut. German nut. Yung buhol na ano.
Nazi. Nazi.
Nazi. Okay, syempre nakikita ng mga televiewers natin yan.
Pwede ba makita?
Zoom. Teka. Can we
Kaya
zoom?
ba?
Yeah, kaya yan.
Zoom.
Kaya yan.
Kaya.
Wait, yan. Up.
Teka, ay. Dalhin natin yung camera.
Yan. Yeah, pwede.
Up.
Ay, up.
Ginangata
Up,
po ang
up.
stem ng cherry. Ayun na po.
Yeah, look at the skill. Concentration.
Ilang minutes ba yan? Ilang minutes inabot?
Konti na lang.
Up.
Matagal ko na pinapapracticean yan eh. Hindi yan madali ah.
Jebs, no?
Pwede.
Sakali.
Yeah.
Ayan na.
Ayun na po ang dila ni Miss
What a
Angel.
tang. What a tang.
Binuhol niya no?
So tequila and cherry.
Hindi mo pa ba nasusubukan yun, Papi Sam? Magbuhol nun?
Hindi.
Iba kasi ang binubuhol ni Sam.
Okay. Oh, Tina, there you go. We got something to read.
AB talked about with Devant and check out their Wiz 831. Smart 3D Internet TV. It's perfectly clear panel and fully HD 1920 by 1080 pixels gives you that crisp viewing experience. Pwede na ba? Pumasa ba?
Tama, ang ganda.
Sige pa.
It also comes with 3 HDMI ports, a USB port, and is compatible with both Wi-Fi and LAN to help you keep up with the latest happening on the net. Meron pa? Like Devant on Facebook by checking out facebook.com/devant.tv.
Okay.
Mamaya, papabasa natin kay Angela.
Hindi, tsaka meron tayong pa-contest ni Papi Slick.
May
Mataan.
Hindi, Paps, mas intense to.
May shake-off.
May shake-off tayo.
Shake off?
Never been seen on Philippine podcast before.
Nag-shake-off tayo. Yan.
Are you ready, Miss Angela?
Miss Angela,
Beer
ang
pa.
ano dito, yung short niya, parang...
Kinis,
Yan, yun. Ganda ng...
Beer pa.
Beer pa, pa-shake natin.
Yan!
Commercial. Muna tayo. Midnight love, natuwa ang coach.
Style, savvy, sexy, and sophisticated. That's how I like it.
HD gaming with style. That's how I do it. Mind-blowing 3D. Now this is heaven.
Introducing the Acer Aspire E3 Ultrabook. It has a full-size chiclet keyboard and an 11.6-inch HD 10-point touchscreen. Its detachable touchscreen is only 9.95mm thin. Perfect, no matter what your day job.
Look at that!
Yun!
Look at that!
Umikli lalo!
Wait! Parang she took off her shorts.
Yun!
Damn it, Playa!
Joke lang.
Damn it, Playa!
Yung mga, ano yung mga normal outfit mo? Like when you go out, pag inuman, what do you usually wear?
So, kailangan litawang bra, di ba? Sa puting shirt.
Ay, hindi. Manipis lang talaga siya.
So, maninipis talaga yung mga shirts mo?
Hindi, kahit ano naman. Eh, hindi naman ako kailangan ng stylist para lumabas.
Maganda ka naman.
Teka.
Tuloy mo lang yung style mo.
Jojo, pwede ba si Jojo maghumula ng sukat?
Tingin lang, Jojo.
Oh, hula lang, Jojo, sa mic. Hula ng sukat.
This guy's getting it wrong.
32B?
Baka 32 ka naman.
Grabe! Hindi naman 32B! Maling-mali!
Push up bra yata.
O hindi, pahawa ko sa'yo.
Oh! Jojo, say yes!
Hawak! Hawak! Hawak!
Patay ka! Ayan na. Sinimulan mo na, girl. Pawak mo na. Walang mali siya.
Walang mali siya.
Walang mali siya to. Parang
Tapos,
kapatid lang.
ayusin mo go. Pang kapatid.
Parang kapatid lang. Walang mali siya.
Tanggalin ko.
Oy! Game ako dyan. Mas maganda yan.
Tira mo na hahawak pag tinanggal mo.
Ako, hindi lang ako hahawak. Titingin lang ako.
Observe.
Ako na lang hahawak.
Si Tina na lang. Si Tina. Si Tina.
Tina, pakisukat.
Si Tina na lang.
Tina, pakisukat.
Tina na lang. Girl.
Pakisukat.
Hawak!
Hawak! Hawak! Pakisukat.
Okay, game. Tina.
Baka sampal.
Hindi.
Okay lang?
Go.
Okay, go.
Ano nga hawakan? Yung bra?
Yung bubay.
Ay!
Yung bra.
Okay, direct
bra,
to Paolo.
syempre, yung bra,
Alam mo,
nakakabit.
winning money shot natin to
Over
tonight.
there.
Teka
Yeah.
lang. Ay, seryoso. Pahawak din ah. Wala
Yan!
Sige, game.
Okay, game.
G2 eh. Girl on girl.
Up here.
Oh! Bakit ganun? Pahawak niya.
Ay!
Sa midnight lang nag-i-enjoy mo.
Ay, Diyos ko po.
Okay.
Ang bango!
Okay, wait. Size.
34B.
Wow!
Jojo! Pa-verify.
Pa-verify nga natin.
Si Jojo has no idea.
Manyak ka na lang talaga. Mali na nga, verify mo pa. Sinabi na, okay, next, hula.
Jojo, you had your chance.
Oh, after nung 32 yung hula, next mo.
Vital stats.
Oh, game. Tayo
24.
naman, Miss Angel. Ayan.
Miss Angela.
Ayan,
Oh.
okay, Miss Angela.
Oh, Bob, camera.
Camera, yan. Okay. O, game. Next. Go.
Ay, hinigpitan. Ay.
At waistline.
Teka. Miss Angela, may tattoo ka ba?
May dragon, no?
Pakita naman ng pa-teaser niyan.
Dragon!
Ano yan?
Bulaklak ka, dragon.
Stargazer.
Wait.
Disco lang nung araw.
Yo, Stargazer.
Okay. Jojo, hula mo.
Waistline, 24.
24. Mali.
24 waistline.
Wala mo kung magkano magpatato ng ganyan.
Puma-project ang...
Ito, can I touch?
Manyak!
Jojo, ikaw
Jojo, you don't have to touch it.
Pati si Pat Gumbat, susugurin ka na, oh.
Tingin lang. Guess yan.
Guess.
Magkano inabot?
2,000.
Free.
Sa 4,000 yan, 5,000.
3?
3. Ako
Oh,
yun.
24, mali.
Tattoo artist.
Oh.
Dahil.
Anong measurement ng waist?
Ngayon, 23 ata.
23.
Okay.
I hate you.
Hips. Jojo, hips. Mali ka na naman.
Oh, ikot daw. Ikot.
Ikot.
Yeah.
Yun!
Side view, babe. Side view.
Okay, pulot ng ballpen.
Pulot ng ballpen.
Yun!
Dapat doon ka titingin sa...
Sarap pa inumin.
Hips, Jojo, go.
Si Mix the Z, nag-walkout.
He's like, what is this?
Yuck!
Bayaan mo siya. Wala tayong pakialam. Tuloy tayo.
He's
Bayaan
like,
mo siya.
ew.
Okay.
Jojo.
Jojo, last hips.
Side view konti. Yan.
Side view konti.
Jojo, pa tinitigasan ka na ng legs.
Oo nga.
Hindi, wala lang yan.
Ang tigas.
Ano, Jojo?
Ano nga? Wala ka pa na...
25?
25!
Oh my God.
Wala ka. Oh, galit siya sa'yo.
What is it? What is it?
What's your size?
Ay, hindi. Ano siya? Since stats, 34, 23, 34 din.
34.
Perfecto pala.
Perfection.
Yes, no? Bewang na lang.
So Miss Angela, what do you do? So you model?
Naninibago ko kay Slick Rick.
Ano lang yun eh? Sideline.
Sideline.
Ano yung main line?
Anong?
Nurse.
Oy!
Wow! Hindi nga.
Oo.
Ay, hindi. Huwag na sabihin niyo yung institution, pero okay. Practicing.
Oo, pero I'm leaving na kasi.
Where are you
by
going?
the end of January.
Uy, si Ramon, parang
Where are you going?
nilalagnat si Pops.
Jeddah.
Gusto kong patignan
Jeddah.
yung perineal area ko.
Eh, girl, parang nilalagnat si Ramon. Init bigla, oh. Nag-init.
Meron ako
Ano?
pang nursing na salita. Perineal area.
Ano yun? Saan man tayo, papi?
Perineal area.
Alam na yun.
Dun sa may ano?
Perineum.
Sa area.
Yun ang pinakamalambot na bahagi
Hindi
ng
ba Pateros area?
Bagsakan ng itlog.
Pateros, papi! Yun nga. So, perineum.
Kaya nga, pag tumatama doon, hindi na
Di ba parang...
Hindi na babasa.
Minsan doon yung sound galing eh.
Oo.
Ano?
Alam mo kasi syempre pagka harder, pendulum.
Alam ko lang, magpapulay ng itlog. Yun lang alam ko.
Iyan dyan ka magaling.
Hindi na kaya talaga. Tumasa yung mga white boy. Galing ang mga local talent.
Okay, game tayo, game!
Game!
Ay, wait, taga. Ano, may questions pa tayo?
Do you have a Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your-
Dubidu-dam-dam.
Okay,
Spell na lang natin para masundan na lang. Okay, spell natin. At
D-U-B-I
D-U-B-I
D-U
D-U
D-U-M-D-U-M
D-U-M-D-U-M
Dubidu-dam-dam.
Dubi-duda.
Ganito na lang, punta kayo sa Instagram ni Jojo. Yung pinaka-latest na inad niya, yun.
Whoever he followed.
Kaya na bahala dyan.
Pa-surplus system.
Okay.
Ano yung game?
May pa-games. Okay, the game is Shake It.
Okay, paanong rules yan, Papi Slick?
Paano
Rule-
kung wala ako isa-shake?
Rules of the game, we have a shake weight.
Yan, ito yung pang-workout. Sa States na yung bago yung gadgets
Hindi ko
nila.
masubukan ulit
This
yan.
is 2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds.
Okay.
Ano ba yan?
It's a shake weight.
Paano?
Maalog-alog Oh, that's what it is. It's a shake weight.
Para lang tayo mag-tsahin. Nakitang gumaganyan.
Tina, it can't be sa face. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede sa face. It's dangerous.
Baka tumama sa mukha mo yan.
Pangit dito.
Okay. Now the contestants are Jojo and Angela.
Okay.
Jojo, what do you write with your... Are you right-handed?
Left-handed ako eh.
Left-handed go.
Amphibious.
Hindi, Jojo. Hindi, Jojo.
Parang may bakal.
Where do you
write? Si Jordan, amphibious ka, kaliwa kanan.
You write with your right hand.
Yeah, right hand.
Okay, so Angela, right or left-handed?
Right.
Right-handed. Okay, so you're gonna use your left hand for this one. Left hand lang.
Saan gagawin ang shaking, Pops? Dito?
Over there.
Ang mas matagal sa inyong dalawa ang madedeclare na winner.
Oh my God.
2.5 pounds yan.
So may ano yan, may finesse.
Tagal yan.
Talaga, i-orasan.
Oh. Hi, Jojo.
Jojo, ikaw muna.
Stand over there. Stand in the middle.
Iba yan si Jojo. Yung technique niyan, may pectus.
Pero since si Jojo ay lalaki, one hand siya. One hand siya.
Yeah.
Si Angela, pwede mag two hands.
Jojo, Jojo, in the middle.
Ako yan ng ano, ng...
1, 2, 3, Jojo, go!
Wait,
Yung t-shirt ni Jojo, galing kay Star.
Wait, Jojo, stop! Jojo, stop! Jojo, stop! We didn't start the timer.
Siya pa, Jojo. Wala ka timer.
Wala pang go!
Warm up lang yan, Jojo. Sa mas galing.
Jojo, put your arm up.
Okay.
No, the other arm.
Yung ano.
Oh, ano yung... Yan!
Ready? In 3,
Grabe
2,
naman.
1, go!
Up and down, up and down.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Game face, Jojo, game face.
Sumapagan.
Game face pa! Yung mas
Pag hindi mo na kaya, ano ka
Ikaw ka, Jojo!
Nag-curl!
Look at his hands!
Wala mo, bagal na.
Bagal.
Stop! Oh, wala. You slowed down. Wala. No. You're moving the whole thing. Oh.
Ayoko, hindi ko kaya.
Jojo, you're done. Jojo, you're done.
Hindi ko kaya.
Jojo, you're done. Stop.
Okay.
Jojo, 25 seconds.
Nakakwenta, Jojo.
Ang bigat pala.
Yeah, 2.5 pounds yan.
Pero you can use 2 hands.
Ikaw, since girl, 2 hands, syempre.
Yeah, you can use 2
Malaki
hands.
braso nito si Jojo.
Paano position ni
Hindi,
Girl Lalo?
sundan nating direktor.
Ganun ang technique, girl. Ayan.
Ready?
5, 4.
Wait.
Taas muna. Opening position, taas muna.
Adjust muna, opening.
Ilaw. Lighting na.
Wait. Light's too bright.
Huwag yung tutok dyan, baba mo.
Yan.
Palit.
Yun.
Ah.
Pati si Cho Paul, ayan, nagdirect, napadirect.
Nagmarunong.
Lahat?
Okay, here we go.
Lahat? Lighting director. Ready?
Pati mga audio technician, lighting director dyan.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1, go. You can 2 hands. You can use 2 hands.
Up and down.
Yeah. You can use 2 hands if you want to.
Okay, para po siyang ngumangata ng cherry stem.
Zoom in turn. Zoom.
Kakayod ng yung motion.
Akit natin ang konti.
Parang nagdidikdik lang ng ano.
Niyog eh.
Oy, pasway-sway.
Wow! Chef Eds! Si Chef Eds nakakatatlong likes na.
Siya po yung nakanganga.
Ay!
Uy, tumatama!
Bakit kailangan nakanganga? Di ba tayo mapapisaw?
Yan!
Girl, kagat ka lang dyan!
Hindi pa!
Gamitan mo na legs, girl. Bend your knees.
Time!
Kailangan talaga nakanganga eh, no? Ganun yung mga babae minsan pag may ginagawa. Makeup, di ba? Kaya, di ba? Kagat ka lang ng labi, girl, tapos harap ka doon para mas maganda. Oh!
Pati mo naman si Chef Ed.
Chef Ed!
Huwag magsabi, hi, Chef Ed.
Here, sa video. Say, hi, Chef Ed.
May-ari ng restaurant.
Yeah! Okay, we have a champion.
Okay, champion. Wala ka sinabi, Jojo. Mahiya ka. Next time, ikaw. Thank you for our shaker.
Nilabasan eh.
Ano?
Nilabasan ako dun sa kan eh.
Paano?
Ng pawis.
Grabe, Jojo.
Si Jojo.
Dumi mo, Jojo.
Oh, Jojo.
Sabi ka.
Nagtataka ka kung ba't di ka nakukuha dun sa ano.
Ganyan ka magano.
Oh, si Jojo.
Nga, aliw ako dyan.
Okay. May
ito.
confession sessions tayo tonight.
Hindi, ito, Tina.
Ipapasa natin kay ano.
Oh, ano to?
Oh, si
Ipapasa
Angela.
natin kay Angela.
Angela, you wanna read that?
Yeah.
Ayan. Pwede ba may konting lande tsaka
Ay, wala akong ganun eh.
Ako madami ako.
Mabasa lang.
medyo sexy.
From website development, software products, mobile technology, cloud computing, and payroll systems, SD Solution provides information technology for every business.
Visits.
Visit sdsolutions.com.ph for more information or call 632-576-1638.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Si Angela. Oh, we like to say, Jojo,
Thanks
take
to
over.
Chupaulo, Pat the T-Girl, Iron the Giant, Akabiach, Midnight Love, Pam the Bear, Ryan Super Cute, G-Direx, Asman, and SGH. Sponsor, Acer, Fatty Updated Life on Records, is the Solutions, Divan.
Patty.
Segment number 4.
You're supposed to read that.
Segment number 4.
Don't read it. Don't read that, Jojo. That's just.
Nagmamaano ka eh.
Oh.
T-shirt mo.
Stanley Chi.
Pakita mo, pasalamatan mo.
Oh, Stanley Chi.
Saan nabibili?
Ganito mo to. Stanley Chi.
Stanley Chi.
This one's for you.
This one's for you.
Mawa sa akin laptop ko ah.
Yan.
Jojo, let's see 2 hands.
Diyan ka nga sa gitna, 2 hands.
Jojo, do it in the middle. Jojo, do it in the middle.
Guys,
Jojo, do
thank
it in
you
the
for
middle.
joining us. Stick around. Confession session. Susunod na. Dito lang yan sa BNO.
Jojo, stay there.
Ano kasi wadiwag dancer?
Stay there until it goes blank.
Yung kamay mo.
Jojo, gay face.
Left hand naman, left hand
Take-
lang,
take
left
it-
hand.
take
Make
it.
sounds, make sounds.
Wait.
Yeah.
Thank you to Angela. Thank you to Nielsen. Thank you. Nielsen. Don't forget, check it out, facebook.com/talent high.
Yan.
So.
For all your modeling needs.
Yes.
Tsaka mga girl lalo.
Siyempre.
Papasaba ako.
We should ask Nielsen.
Alright guys, stick around. Confession sessions up next. And we'll see you on Wednesday. Good night.
Listen, okay. I know exactly what this is.
Yeah.
Confession sessions.
Hi boys. Happy New Year mga papis. My story all started in high school. I was in love with this attractive and very smart young girl. We both shared a lot of first times together. Love letters, holding hands, first date, first kiss, even first... You get it. We even cherished our date, November 17. She was my sweet 17. Everything was magical. But we broke up when I went to college. She was one level younger than me. Eventually, she met Mr. Right, and that's how I saw him at the time. As for me, I fell in and out of love. I was careless, foolish, and broken for the longest time, and I always wondered whatever happened to 17. I lost contact with her after the breakup. Then, just a few months ago, I received a Facebook friend request. It was no other than 17. My heart jumped at seeing her face after such a long time. I immediately confirmed her request and sent her an email. Hello, it's nice seeing you after a long time. She replied a day after. Excited, I replied back. Then began a series of emails from catching up trying to figure out whatever happened between us. Then something else happened. She told me that Mr. Right wasn't Mr. Right at all, and they recently just broke up. She started opening up and asked for my advice. Eventually, the emails started to look like love letters. Sweet words were exchanged, compliments on each other's pictures. Is it just me, or was I starting to feel that kilig feeling we once shared? One day she told me that she'd be coming home to Manila for a few days from Dubai and asked if I'd like to have a cup of coffee with her. This time, my feelings for her had slowly returned. Did I still have that soft spot for her after all these years? It can't be. But there was only one way to find out. Not really expecting much, I arrived at our meeting place, her favorite coffee shop. We talked, filling up 15 years of space. And we just clicked. She brought her old pictures and some of my old love letters. I was floored when I saw them. She kept it after all these years. As the date was coming to a close, I took her home. This was the only time today that we were completely silent. I walked her up to her door when she just smiled at me the way she did before. Then I knew nothing else need be said. I kissed her. She kissed back. It felt like forever. It felt great. Then she asked me to come in. I nodded. I kissed her gently at first, remembering how she liked it when I looked after her. Then I started to apply more force through my mouth. Her hands rushed to strip me of my clothes, her lips mumbling about how much she missed me. I laid her down and took off her dress easily, my eyes feasting on her body. She was more womanly now. She grew into her curves very, very well. I settled myself in between her legs, easing my penis into her slowly. She was still so tight. I moved slow, but firm at first. But after the sounds she was making, I just couldn't take it any longer. I pumped into her harder and faster, making her breaths shorter and more desperate. I covered her face and neck with kisses as she clawed at my back. I felt myself building up, and I could tell from the way that she was holding me that she was too. Babe, I'm gonna come. I need you to come with me. I groaned into her ear. Okay, she moaned in return. Then, as if we were both 17 and in love again, we both reached the peak of our pleasure. We came together, and it was the best I've ever felt in a long, long time. After catching our breaths, we laughed with relief, as if all the tension just dissipated. We were us again. We spent the whole night just messing around, catching up in between our marathon of makeup sex. But as we all know, good things have to come to an end. The next day, she had to go back to Dubai. Despite losing her again, we managed to stay in touch through Facebook. We wanted to keep the rekindled feelings we shared that night alive, but the odds of a long-distance relationship lasting at our distance was near impossible. 17 and I slowly fizzled out. But even though our second chance didn't last, I'm glad it happened. It gives me hope to know that if I ever would be lucky enough to have that third try, I would never let it pass. Thank you so much for taking your time to read this, boys. You guys are my best friends in traffic. More power, guys. From The Geek.